Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. This video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can turn off your notifications in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to turn off your notifications but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right on it. So guys, you just need to look at the top right corner where you can see your username. Just go ahead and tap there. And now all you need to do is tap on account details. Wait for it to load. And once you're here, you can find many options right here of account details, store preferences, family management, language preferences, cookies and browsing, and notification settings. So after you're here, just select the notifications that you want to turn off and turn on. So if you have these turned on, then just go ahead and turn them off like this. And in this way, you'd successfully be able to turn off notifications in Steam. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.